In today's video, I'm going to show you how to dehaze in Affinity Designer. First, open up your project in Affinity. Also, make sure that your photo layer has been rasterized since dehazing only works on raster images. You can always do that by heading over to the Layers section and right-clicking on your photo layer. The next is click on Rasterize. Now head over at the top toolbar and click on Pixel. Then next hover your mouse on Filters, then click on Haze Removal. A panel will then appear with a strength slider. So here all you have to do is simply drag the slider to the right to cut through haze and boost contrast. Just move it slowly. Too much can make the image look harsh or unnatural. You can also fine tune with exposure or clarity if needed. Because it's an adjustment layer, it's non-destructive, so you can edit or turn it off anytime. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!